Starting around 30 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO really is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. Polis sort of has a kind of complete market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which generally is very huge. This especially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, truly positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is very critical. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO certainly be genuinely worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a kind of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very huge? Will Polis cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking especially high in an unpretentious manner? These certainly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost most certainly is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of 12 cents, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to be 12 cents. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Polis can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 13 cents, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, or so they sort of thought. The Polis cost could arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest worth of 11 cents, with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which especially is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the especially normal cost of Polis for the September most certainly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value estimate October 2023. The essentially normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could in a real sense go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, showing how Star Atlas DAO value forecast September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Polis for the September in every way that really matters stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value figure October 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could truly go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023 in a huge manner. Polis could be exchanging around a by and large most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 11 cents, showing how starting around 30 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO certainly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is very critical. Polis value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO really is supposed to fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 11 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Polis cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of 12 cents, with the very normal cost around 12 cents, which really is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to basically be at around an essentially least of 12 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a limit of 13 cents, with the really normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been for the most part diminished by 3.34% in its kind of current worth, which truly shows that Polis in a real sense has a by and large all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which especially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that we especially look at the very current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a truly significant manner. From absolute most recent 7 days, the pulse basically was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, showing how Star Atlas Dow value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is supposed to generally be at around a really least of 12 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas Dow in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to, in every practical sense, dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how might Paulus cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which truly is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Paulus certainly diminished by 55.184%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of 14 cents from its exceptionally current worth in an extremely enormous manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent buy and large purchase, a potential open door for kind of fast venture, exhibiting that Star Atlas Dow value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas Dow fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at a very least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Star Atlas Dow value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Star Atlas Dow pretty worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? The Paulus cost truly is estimated to by and large arrive at a greatest degree of 13 cents, with really least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how Paulus generally has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in and in every practical sense, significant way. Star's Atlas Dow explicitly have a future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As far as value, Star Atlas Dow in a real sense has an exceptional sort of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how this makes Star Atlas Dow, Paulus, truly positioning at 612 in the digital money market, which really is very huge. It truly is figure that Paulus will increment in esteem, which explicitly shows that Star Atlas Dow value conjecture 2023 facts. What will really be Star Atlas Dow in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas Dow can generally raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, kind of additional appearance how it by and large is conjecture that Paulus will increment in esteem, which generally shows that Star Atlas Dow value estimate 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Star Atlas Dow genuinely worth in 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Is Star Atlas Dow fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a